Hi, it's Dr. Kevin here. I just want to give you just a brief tour of our office. We're happy that you joined us today to give us a tour when the office is quiet. That way you can get a sense of what the office is like. We're just going to go through the front doors here and just into our reception area. We'll just close the door and see here. And this is a reception area, seats. You can see there's some discs there, postural discs, some toys for the kids to play with. Another area over here in the reception as well. And I'll just come over to the adjusting area. And this is where we serve patients. You can see that there's one chiropractic adjusting table here, as well as computer kiosks where we can record adjustments, look up information such as x-ray information, and just educate patients on their care and their progress. And then there's another chiropractic adjusting table here, along with pregnancy pillows, and a spine and different instruments for adjusting as well. So let's continue on. There's a small kitchenette here as well for patients to enjoy. And then just down the hallway we have a washroom on the right hand side. And we're just going to go back into the examination and report room. And this is just at the back of the clinic. And this is where we will do examinations, new patient exams, progress exams, or re-exams on patients. There's also a table back here as well, and a postural mirror with bilateral weight scales for the assessment. And you can see here that there's some posters there as well that explain the phases of spinal degeneration, a view box for x-rays, and seats for patients. So that's the quick tour of the office, and my hope is that if you have any questions, if you have never been checked by a chiropractor and you're wondering more about it, you can certainly call our office at 705-725-9322, and we will be happy to serve your needs and your family's needs. You can also check us out at www.snelgrovechiropractic.com. Have yourselves an awesome day, and we look forward to serving you and your family sometime soon.